Welcome back to TWN TV. Today we are talking about 6 easy ways to eat more greens. That's because the typical Western diet is not so supportive of our bone and heart health or our overall well-being. We're often told what to do to cut calories, to lose weight, to get abs, yada yada yada. We really think about flooding our bodies, our cells, with nutrient-rich foods to feel and even look our best. So in this video, I'm sharing 6 fun tips to get in more greens, an everyday food, or should be everyday food. Greens are full of phytochemicals, which are good for immunity. They fight oxidative damage and prevent inflammation. The more we eat greens, the better we feel. So, tip number 1, add them to your breakfast. Yep, I said it. Get some greens early in the morning. Maybe that's spinach in your eggs, or maybe it's grating some zucchini into your oatmeal. This is the best way to have one serving done before you even leave the house. Tip number 2, throw fresh greens into your smoothie. When you make a smoothie filled with fresh fruits, protein, and healthy fats, the taste of a handful of spinach or kale is easily masked and you still get in all of that good stuff. Tip number 3, wrap it up. Lettuce or collard green wraps make delicious fiber and nutrient-packed way to take a normal sandwich into a super sandwich without having to leave behind your favorite protein or any of your favorite flavors. Tip number 4, toss them into a pasta. Yeah, you don't have to ditch the pasta. You can just add in some arugula and maybe some fresh basil. Arugula brings in a nice peppery taste and fresh basil tastes amazing. Tip number 5, make kale chips at home. I know most people think of kale as being bitter and boring and super healthy, but one of my favorite ways to eat it and get other people to eat it is to make them into a crunchy snack. Simply preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, break the kale up into little pieces, coat it in olive oil, salt, pepper, any seasoning that you love, and place it in the oven for 15 minutes. Tip number 6, add them as a side. There's always room on your plate for more greens, even if it's an afterthought. If steamed or sauteed are boring, think about stir fry, dipping in tahini, or even some soy sauce to add in some more familiar flavors. There you have it, 6 easy tips to eat more greens. Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you've got any tips that I missed, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you soon.